A very good morning to all my dear friends. You are all welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, Let's Learn Together. And this is the last video tutorial of the series which I have started on importance of cyber security and digital safety, which will help us to secure ourselves, update ourselves, and definitely we would be a winner and defeat the crackers. And this is the sixth part, as I told you. And in this tutorial where we are going to learn about where can we report a cyber crime, because I made videos before this ones related that how can you save yourselves, but what if you faced such attack and you are one of the victim, then where can you report such a cyber crime? So the video is according to this one, this video tutorial. Let us start with the name of the Almighty. My dear friends, report a cyber crime. Where can we report? That is quite important, very important, as if you are a victim, then you must know all these things. Here is the website, government website under the Ministry of Home Affairs, National Cyber Crime Reporting Portal. And let me share you the link. This is the link, my dear students, my dear friends, www.cybercrime.gov.in. Please remember that there should be a log there and there should be S also there, as it is a secured website. So you will have to visit this website, www.cybercrime.gov.in. And here you can see, my dear friends, that where you will have to report. You can see over here that report woman or child related crime. You will have to click on this one and you can report about the child or woman related crime also. Let me show you few details over here. These are the things that it is also available there under the resource column. You can download the handbook also. You can download the handbook for students on cyber safety, as well as cyber safety in English and Hindi, both the forms in both the language. It is available, that handbook prepared by the government of India. So I was talking about the reporting one. You can see over here, report women or child related crime. And let me tell you, the most important thing over here is that, and that is good for us, that you can report anonymously or anonymously also. It means that you will not have to disclose your identity also. And if you want to report it also, so you can report and you can track it also, what the action has been taken. You can contact them also anytime if you wish. Click on contact also, and you can suddenly contact them also. And here is the helpline number also, that you can call from 9 to 6 p.m 9 a.m to 6 p.m, and the helpline number is what? 155260. Remember, helpline number is 155260. You can call and report about such a crime, whether it is related to phishing, whether it is related to morphing, or any other cyber crime. You can report it there, my dear friends. So please don't forget the link of the website. Don't forget the name. That is National Cyber Crime Portal, where you can report any type of cyber crime. Now, how can we check whether a website is safe and secure? I'm going to share few tips also in this tutorial, so that you are dealing with that you are surfing a particular website, whether it is safe or not. Always look for this, that whether it is a locked one or not. And always try to find about this lock. There should be a lock there. That is one thing. And the another thing that you can see over here, it should be secured. Means you will have to look for that S. S stands for secured. So two things you will have to remember, my dear friends, that you must look up and watch it before you enter your username and password, ID or password in any of the website. Look for that. Always look for the spelling also of the URL of the website. The hackers are very clever. They are very clever. They will just change one single letter or one single digit. They will change the address. They will change, and they can produce the same design of the website. But what is the thing that you must be alert? You must check the address of the URL. You must check whether it is secured and whether it is locked or not. These are the things that will keep you safe, my dear students, my dear friends. There are some online game dangers also, and I shared some signs of addiction. Suppose if someone is really playing games for hours, then how will you addict? How will you find out whether that particular student or a person is addicted to them? Secrecy or lying about use, and they will try to play online games and secretly, and they will abuse. No, they will tell you the lie that no, I am not playing game. I'm doing something this and that. They will try to make excuses. If someone is spending more than 24 to 30 hours a week online, and not for a school, not for a, then you just detect that they might be playing the game also. Mood shift. If the shift of the student or anyone has been shifted due to the use of mobile, such as it will increase irritability. If access is taken away, means they will resist, they will protest. If you will take the access from those students or your son or daughter, they will just increase what it will increase irritability, or they will try to protest against that. And also one more thing, you will find a significant decrease in other activities as well as interest also. They will not listen to you. They will just be not doing any other activities other than playing this game. They will not take interest in any other activities, whether playing or playing offline games also, or talking to the parents or friends. They will just this type of students or the person who are addicted to games, they just try to stay away from the society. They will neglect friends, family, and other responsibilities. They will have sleep problems also, and they will also not take care of their personal hygiene. They will not take breakfast on time, or hardly they will eat once or twice in a day. These are the things. And what are the safety measures? Do not expose. Number one, do not expose your true identity while playing online games. Don't expose your true identity. Do not give any personal information or share it with others. Always hit the mute button. And if someone is asking, if any player is asking in the online game, block that player. Beware of what parental controls can do for you. You always take care that your parents are always your parents and they are always your well-wisher. So respond to them, and please don't disclose any identity to them. I'm not saying that playing online games is harmful and you should not play. Yes, you can play online games, but you will have to take care of this thing. And please do not give 30 to 45 minutes, more than 30 to 45 minutes in a day. Don't give more than that to the online games. Yes, you can enjoy, but for not more than 30 minutes or 45 minutes. But you will have to take care of all these measures also, safety measures also. So I think let us conclude the series of the tutorials by having this quotation that securing yourself online is just a matter of sharing information with the people you trust. You can secure yourself online, and that is only a matter of sharing information. The more information you will share with the unknown person, the more vulnerable you will be. So be safe and don't trust any untrust persons. And to share your information to the person whom you know. Don't make it public, because there is no magic tool that hacks your Facebook passwords or some magic software to hack your data. कोई ऐसा टूल, कोई ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं है जो आपको हैक कर लेगा. आपके कोई ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर भी नहीं बना है जो आपके डेटा ले सकता है. We are the people who boils down our irresponsible stuff. And we click on the Facebook link, but we don't check the spelling of the Facebook or Instagram or whatever. So be alert, check out whether it is locked and secured or not. So we are doing and giving chances to the hackers or the crackers, you can say. Keeping simple passwords, we do such mistakes, and keeping simple password, and we do not secure using system also. We do not use securely using system. Means you must have antivirus and or mal or the Windows security defender should be on, and you please keep your computers and softwares updated every time, and update it. Don't leave out the updates. And many times the people used to think, oh, it will take more memory, and they do not update their apps or its computers. So it makes them really very difficult, and it's really make them very good for the hackers. they can just enter your computer system or apps also. So please update and update on the time. Social media was made for us to socialize. Yes, we have made social media accounts, social media apps, and websites are there to make us what socialize. But now what has been going on? It has become a tool for people to exploit others. Others are exploiting others, making fake accounts, using their photos, their backgrounds, and just mixing them, morphing them, and even cheating them, phishing them. So we can save ourselves if we don't reveal much about ourselves. Don't reveal much about yourself. Stay safe and thanks for watching all the series of the videos. Please, if you are new to this channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon also. And please don't forget to comment and share it with your other friends also whom you love. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.